Now we're at the real ship. Sinfonia restaurant from here. It's close. Okay, so we're all the way there. Hello. The ventilator is annoying. There's parts of the lift, so and these are the lifts at the back of the ship. Now people are getting on, sorry about that. Oh my god. Cussing everything. Shut those before no one can get in. Cab view. Okay. Alright, now the cab view. Hi. I'm going to leave number 32 or elevator. There's all the adverbs and no smoking signs. It's a bit overrun. Now we're going to do a cabin tour. We're currently on the 9th floor right now. Staircase. Somebody's coming. So we're going to do a cabin tour now. And we are also in a open door. Here's my card. Don't think to make up a room yet, so let's do a quick cabin tour. Bathroom, very small. Wait, let me take off my shoes first. Hi. And this is my cabin card. This is a very small bathroom. Look, I can stretch my leg across. And there's a size N. If I stretch my leg across the other side, that's the first of the bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom. C is the main room. The other bathroom there. So my mum left the TV on. Here's a bed. Queen size, but mine is twin. It's actually twin, but my father can't join this bed. I'm sleeping on that side, and this is my father's side. Here's your drawers, your tea and coffee makers. For some reason, the minibar on mine cannot be open. Alright, here's a safe. Let's demonstrate how to lock it. To lock it, you enter your 4D code and then enter. See, it locks. But if you press to open, you enter back the same code and then press enter, and it unlocks. Alright, then you got my cabin card. Let's take a look at this minibar, shall we? Here's the water fridge. And we actually remove all the drinks. We remove all the drinks because we need to store our medkits and such stuff. And out here is the balcony. Oh god, it's locked. But I can unlock it. Just give me a second, guys. Right then, I'm out on the balcony. You can see the big waves. it's gonna load back, so sorry about not going through everything in the room. Alright guys, that's it.